Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Blockman Go. To change your language in Blockman Go is super simple. Open the Blockman Go application on your device and log in. From the homepage of Blockman Go, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile picture. Once you do that, from your profile section, scroll down and look for settings and tap on it. Inside the settings menu, tap on switch languages. Now on the next page, go ahead and select a language you want to change to and then click on confirm to change the language right away. This will restart the application in the selected language. If you ever want to switch back to another language, you can repeat this step. Go to settings and look for language option and choose a different language of your preference and you'll be good to go. So that is how you can easily change your language setting in Blockman Go application, whether you are using Android or iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.